This is the 2021 Kia Picanto X-Line. In this video, I'll take you through the exterior looks, interior looks, and its performance. Let's jump right into it. So straight off the bat, this model features specific LED lights at the front and the rear, as well as unique bumpers and flared wheel arches to give it the milk curb hopper look. It's not just cosmetic, however, as Kia has increased the ground clearance by 5mm, making it a bit more appropriate to tackle some rougher stuff. The performance of the Kia Picanto is very good. Some budget-oriented cars struggle to maintain 3-digit national highway speeds, but we are happy to report the 1.2 X-Line felt eager when overtaking slower traffic. The Picanto flagship is powered by a 1.25-liter 4-cylinder petrol motor that develops 61 kilowatts and 122 Nm of torque. This engine comes equipped with the 5-speed manual gearbox, but then an automatic is available for a bit more money. The gearbox has a pleasant action and minimal effort is required to execute shifts, and this is a good thing because you are likely to work the box hard to get the most out of that willing engine. The Kia Picanto feels light and nimble through city driving, and that is expected as the low curb weight is 962 kilograms. The 1.2 motor doesn't have much mass to move around, which results in eager performance, and other upsides is that the power plant does not have to work hard, which benefits fuel economy. Granted, fuel efficiency depends on your driving style, but if you drive economically in mind, low fuel consumption are reachable. On open road, the Kia Picanto produces an impressive fuel economy of 5.1 liters to 100 kilometers. The claimed fuel economy from Kia is 5 liters to 100 kilometers, and this is an improvement from the 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers figure we saw on the vehicle's launch in the middle of February 2021. The Kia Picanto displays good road manner and it feels secure and planted on the tarmac despite its budget car underpinnings. The Kia Picanto steering is light and reasonably direct, with reassuring feedback. Intercity and low-speed manners are good, which makes parallel parking and early docking a easy task to do. But even if you can't park, rear PDC and reverse view camera make things practically effortless. The 15-inch wheels are wrapped with 185 55s, and they soak up most of the road imperfections. Please forgive me if I said the tire size wrong. It may be a cheapish vehicle, but it does not feel cost price to drive. The Picanto feels a bit more upmarket than some of its rivals, and the refinement is evident in the well-suppressed engine or road noise. Given the 1.2 X-Line's off-road look, it would be appropriate to test it in the gravel, but unfortunately we cannot. It's safe to assume that the crossover add-ons are just for looks, but then the same could be said of most compact hatchbacks that are dressed to impress. Kia's latest offer high-quality cabins across the range, not only on the top-end models, and compared to some of its rivals, the Picanto feels surprisingly upmarket inside. The level of fit and finish is good, and in the 1.2 X-Line's case, premium materials have been applied, which feel nice to the touch. There are 2-tone artificial leather seats and a leather-trimmed steering wheel, both of which give the car's cabin a nice ambience. The 1.2 X-Line comes with an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. accessible via a single central located USB port. With regards to the Android Auto setup, there's a lack of a control button on the steering wheel. This missing button is key to the system as it allows to say commands like "Hey Google" / "Hey Siri." This is a huge deal as it is preferred to keep both hands on the steering wheel. As far as noted, all the windows are electric all around the car, and it also has an optional sunroof. The Kia Picanto's boot size is only big enough for 2 small suitcases. At 255 liters, the Kia Picanto's load bay is one of the smallest in the segment. As you can see in this video, the load bay is very small. Thankfully, you can fold the rear seats down for additional space. So moving on to pricing. The Kia Picanto brand new was starting at 187,995 rand, and it tops out at 251,995 rand. All Picanto models feature an unlimited kilometer 5-year warranty, inclusive of roadside assist, as well as an inclusive 2-year 30-kilometer service plan. This service plan can be extended at a cost. The sheer visual and label specification level make the Kia Picanto 1.2X line an interesting offering. You get a lot of car at this price point. Plus, the crossover look will win over many hearts. The only major problem is the limited load capacity, but this is an inherent Picanto issue and not specific to the X line. It really is a small city car. However, similarly priced rivals offer a touch more legroom and a bigger luggage space. If a car's loading carrying ability is not important to you, I have no hesitation in recommending the Kia Picanto to you. So, awaiting the verdict of this car, should you avoid it, consider it shortlisted, or buy it? I reckon you should shortlist it. Yes, the car is a great car, but then there are better rivals out there. Anyways, that's it for today. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until then, peace.